hell am I? The hell is that stench? What the hell?
You're going to Asura. What about the rest of us?
Brooks?
Never thought you were a coward.
What the hell was that? This place is bringing up some bad memories. We need to get out of here. Hope the others made it. Anybody there?
Lieutenant Callisto, reporting for duty. Sir.
Glad you made it, soldier. You good?
Bit banged up, but I'll survive. Any sign of the outsider?
Negative.
Kid! You out there?
Reunited at last.
You made it.
No thanks to you, Cog. Goddamn maniac kicking me out of a burning plane.
Well, outsider, seems like I should get a thank you, seeing as you're alive.
You're assuming I want to be alive.
Teams back together.
Now what?
You all followed the beacon, right? Let's find a way up to it. This looks like a good way out. Come on.
That doesn't look good.
Damn. You did good, kid. Saved the three of us. We owe you one.
What's next, sir?
We need to let whoever's in charge know we survived. Only way to do that is locate the crash site. Hope that radio is intact.
I saw the Condor go down. Left quite a trail of smoke.
Follow the smoke, then. Great. Now what?
This looks like a way through, but,
Problems, sir?
the back isn't what it used to be. Especially after that crash.
Leave it to me, sir. Just need a moment. That dead tree's caught on some vines. Heads up!
Ah!
Well done, soldier.
Come on, let's go.
Down, huh?
You got a problem with heights?
After what we've been through, can you blame me?
This looks like the way through here.
So, either of you know our destination before we left?
They didn't tell me shit. All I know is there was ocean beneath us a long time.
What the hell was that?
Another reason to find that radio ace.
Well, that is one fucked up plane.
There's no way that radio's operational.
We need to eliminate it as an option before we move on to another plan. Come on. Look down there.
These ruins. I've seen something like them before. My grandmother left to go out the islands when she was young. But photos from this place.
Hell of a way to reconnect with your roots.
Must have flown off the plane. Thank goodness.
My dad always told me I was lucky. Lucky as a locust in long pants, he'd say.
So that's why you were picked for the mission.
Back up. Never be too prepared for what's coming. Not bad. Hey, little help.
I hate this place more by the minute.
You were saying something about luck, boy?
Hey, we're safe, right?
Look, some more supplies.
I told ya. Lucky.
What the fuck? A block!
Ha! I stand corrected.
How the hell did the swarm get to an island?
Sign of the times, old man. The entire world is infected with them.
Keep pushing through. We gotta get out of that swamp.
They're stopping leeches!
Leeches in the water!
Well, at least now we have some idea about the mission.
We must be the first wave of troops to send it in.
2 soldiers and a driver isn't exactly what I call a wave.
You're a driver.
Delivery driver. Award-winning.
Get out of the way! Leeches, eyes up! Ammo's ready. Resupply on me.
We're clear.
Swarm is even tougher than the locusts.
Well, old man, I for one like our odds. Look at all this. Now we stand a fighting chance.
You even know how to use half this ordnance?
Sure do, Grandpa. My dad taught me to shoot. I used to like him, I think. You're quite similar.
Soldier?
Asshole.
Look! Look, the waterfall!
You've got to be kidding me!
Clear. What's next, sir?
Stick to the plan. Find the wreckage. Find the radio. Gotta be a way through here somewhere. Someone give me a hand. That smell again.
You ran into it too?
We gotta get out of here. I'm all out. Boost the gas? Oh, the smoke.
Out of the frying pan.
This looks like the tail end. With any luck, cockpit and radio's up ahead.
Hey, lucky. Remember?
Stand down, soldier.
Huh? Quite a literal interpretation.
Cockpit's on the other side of the door. Let's go.
Ah, damn it.
Guess the radio's not here.
The entire cockpit ain't here, Gramps. So what's the plan if we find that precious radio smashed to pieces?
There's a good chance that whoever organized this operation is well aware of what's happening. Might take a while, but they'll send someone.
They died in a crash as well.
How are your survival skills?
Nasty way to go. For a robot.
Are they scavengers?
Whatever it is they're up to.
Way to go, Grandpa! Right to the point of it.
Ammo drop on stand, stock up, team!
Got it!
Ammo drop is back!
Good work. Now let's find that radio.